Kaspa, big whales are secretly buying now. The PAM is unreal. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our daily update about what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see the rank, the market cap, the Hashrate, the categories in the top 10 addresses. Then we're gonna move into the technical side of Kaspa and obviously into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video with why this PAM has no stop. And I will give you my justification and my approach why I believe that this current PAM is unstoppable. So we will analyze all of this current situation. And if you are interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with this current astonishing PAM of Kaspa. And guys, you can clearly see the price of Kaspa is standing above 9 cents. It's insane. Like we saw above 20% in the couple 14 hours. This is incredible. Okay, you can clearly see that the last candle is insanely parabolic. We saw above 20% over like the last 14 hours. You can clearly see that is approximately 20% the last 14 hours. And guys, the last 24 hours we're at 26.5% up. For such a big large market cap as Kaspa is a lot. Okay, Kaspa actually didn't pump from the 200 million to 400 million overnight. It pumped from the 1.5 billion to 2 billion, and that's insane. Obviously this is not only by retail investors. And guys, this pump didn't happen only from the point of 0.078 cents. This pump happened from the point of 5 cents, or even better, from the bottom of this last retracement that happened of 4 cents. So we are speaking that right now we are above 118% up since the last signal. And obviously guys, this last signal, this last bottom signal, I gave it into the Patreon group. This was my last bottom signal that I bought too massively before this insane rally. So that's why guys, Patreon and actually the WealthNet group is very important if you are a Kaspa investor to be in a community with elite crypto investors. We always buy the bottom. You can clearly see the first signal that we bought, it was at 0.015 cents, and we have got members guys that bought in that low signal with me. And I told them that guys, Kaspa is the next big thing. It's not like the other cryptos. Buy massively, and we bought massively, and right now we enjoy a profits above 5x, maybe 6x, or we don't know how big and where it's gonna stop this insane rally. And then we continue to the third signal with an average price of 0.035 cents, fourth signal at 0.041 cents actually before a month. And as you can clearly see, the people who were new into my Patreon group and bought this signal right now are above 2x. Okay, from Kaspa and only. This is insane. This is why you need to be in a group with elite crypto investors, because in the next retracement also we are waiting in the corner. We are a pack of sharks and we are not pack of streams, okay, pepper hands and etc. Anyway, guys, right now the Kaspa price actually is reaching the time that we are speaking new 88s. You can clearly see we are very close to reach new 88s and go straight to 0.093 cents. Incredible. And this kind of pump has no stop. As you can clearly see, we are rank 34. Guys, we flipped like all the coins that we had ahead of us. Avi, Quant, Vitchain, Lido, Aptos, and the next target is the Ethernet computer, the ICP, and Hedera H-bar. Guys, the most powerful sign is not that we are in rank 34. The most powerful sign is that we are standing in rank 34 with market cap close to 2 billion, and we are not backed by top tier exchanges. No Binance behind, no Coinbase behind, no Kraken behind, no Crypto.com, no OKX, and no lots of others. big to medium exchanges like the rest cryptos. Go one by one under top 60 projects. You will see that all of these projects that we have ahead of us are backed by almost all exchanges. And Kaspa isn't backed by a single top tier exchange and is starting in the rank 34. If this is not a powerful sign for you, then maybe you need to escape and give up from crypto because you're gonna get wrecked completely. You don't realize a couple principles of investing and also a couple principles of the crypto space. Kaspa is the best crypto project from the fundamental side. It's the only project close to the Bitcoin fundamentals and basically has better fundamentals than Bitcoin. Okay, this is why actually is the reason of Kaspa creation. They created Kaspa, they designed Kaspa to be better and actually solve the trilemma problem that Bitcoin has, and this is how Kaspa did it. Okay, with the block DAG, it's a DAG mathematical structure but with blocks. It's huge innovation. This is why Kaspa is the first world's block DAG, and with the furthermore innovations like with the Ghost DAG protocol that they use and with the Go language that they got right now, Kaspa is solving the trilemma. But the most important part is the hard forks that will come. Rustlang, okay, Kaspa will upgrade from Golang to Rustlang, and we will see the astonishing 10 blocks per second. Right now we have only 1 block per second. We will see very soon 10 blocks per second. The speed is gonna be unbeatable. Bitcoin actually has a speed of a grandpa walking with a cane, and Kaspa speed is like an airplane. Okay, there is no second best, and obviously 10 blocks per second, guys, is huge innovation. Okay, it's astonishing. And also through the block DAG, Kaspa exploits the orphan blocks, something that set Kaspa to have even better and more robust security than Bitcoin because the exploitation of the orphan blocks. Anyway, this is more technological stuff. It's more deeper knowledge around Kaspa. I will cover that in another video. I would like to stick right now, guys, into the market cap because I warned you guys lots of times. Go back in my videos, watch all the videos. I was screaming you, guys, please buy Kaspa under 1 billion. Guys, Kaspa is standing right now 1 billion within 1.1 billion. Last chance. Buy now before it's gonna get to 2 billion and you're gonna be behind the train. Lots of people right now are behind the train and not inside of the train. We are inside of the train, and especially the people who joined into the WealthNet are inside of the train with me. This is why actually I created this group, because we are here to help you to move all together powerfully, to give you a guidance to do not do mistakes that I did. Okay, I'm in the space since 2016. I saw lots of things with my eyes, lots of mistakes that even I did, and also I saw other people that did. Okay, anyway, this current situation is really bullish, and guys, this kind of pump that happened is even far beyond than my expectations, and I will justify you why in the technical side. Let's move, guys, into the hash rate right now, because hash rate is in increasement. You can clearly see 58.51 petahash per second. We saw new 88s since yesterday. We saw new 88s from a price perspective and also from a hash rate perspective. Insane. Okay, Kaspa is unstoppable. The current hash rate is 55.28 petahash per second. This is in increasement. Last days of November, to remind you, within early days of December, more ASICs will be plugged in into the network, into the Kaspa network. So more computational power will come, more protection will come. So the hash rate will reach new 88, and I believe after the early days of December, we will see approximately 3 digits, or we will be straight to 3 digits from the hash rate perspective. Really powerful. Okay, this is exactly what we need. And let's move straight into the categories and the addresses, because as you can clearly see, guys, this is obvious that we saw new investors that invested in Kaspa since yesterday. We are above 1,000 more addresses since yesterday. That means that we saw more people, and right now they got big FOMO because they think that they missed Kaspa, so they buy like crazy. That's why actually this pump is happening. And guys, as you can clearly see, since the last 24 hours, we saw huge accumulation: octopus, crabs, fishes, dolphins, and all of these categories in a big accumulation, but the biggest accumulation is in the 30 days count. Okay, you can clearly see that in 30 days count we saw massive accumulation. So that's really powerful. And actually they changed a little bit the type of, it was with percentages, right now is with the addition wallets. It's category. Anyway, we will evaluate again. I believe they need an update here because I believe we saw more sharks and dolphins since yesterday. Anyway, I will keep an eye on that. And let's go into the top 10 addresses, because as you can clearly see, guys, KuCoin buying aggressively. It's obvious. KuCoin right now has approximately very close to 900 million Kaspa coins, very close to 1 billion. And they will get there. I told you that I believe KuCoin will get there, and also Get.io approximately 10 more million Kaspa coins. And as you can clearly see, also Mixi bought like 30 more million Kaspa coins since yesterday. So our top 3 exchanges in this current top 10 addresses are buying aggressively. So this is also one reason why we saw this unstoppable pump. But guys, don't forget, as I told you in my previous videos, that when we're gonna see top tier exchanges that like Kaspa will be listed in Binance, Coinbase, or whatever, I believe the top tier exchanges will do the battle of the battle. Who's gonna have the majority of the maximum supply? I believe that Coinbase and Binance, specific these two exchanges, will have above 2 billion Kaspa coins each exchange. So maybe this current pump is actually from the institutions, from the big companies like Coinbase and Binance that are buying secretly. Okay, this is why this pump has no stop, because otherwise I cannot justify this insane pump without stop. This pump isn't because the retail investors, okay? Obviously, whales and institutions or companies, whatever, are buying massively behind this kind of pump. And obviously, it's a secretly buying pressure. Anyway, let's move into the technical side, and I'm going to speak for these things by the end of the video. I mean, who is buying and why. And guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa is spamming with parabolic pump like crazy. We saw like the last couple days above 80% pump, and that's incredible. But you need to realize that Kaspa is standing in a crazy, extravagant overbought position. I don't recommend you to not buy. Personally, I have a strategy that I buy emotionally called daily Kaspa. I have said that since I bought Kaspa, every day I have purchase of a certain amount of Kaspa every day, and I'm waiting to see a retracement, a reversal to buy massively. Okay, this is the strategy that I follow, and this is the strategy that I teach in WealthNet. So right now I don't get FOMO. I won't buy Kaspa at the top, and this is something that I don't recommend you to do. This is how elite investors buy. Elite investors buy and get FOMO in the bottoms, not in the top and not in the highest point, because a reversal will happen. Put this very well in your mind. A reversal will happen. But after this incredible pump, maybe the reversal, not maybe, but basically, we cannot right now drop below 6 cents. Right now, the worst case scenario here is to see the 6 cents area. So as you can clearly see here, guys, this aggressive uptrend movement, I believe after some point when this kind of pump will stop in some way, we will come back to retest this massive white line. Okay, obviously, I don't know, if you ask me, at what point it's going to be the worst case scenario. I believe the worst is here. If we're going to see like the next coming days, the next coming weeks, a reversal, maybe it's going to happen at 6 cents area. But more odds I give to above 6 cents, like 0.065 cents within 0.075 cents. This is where I believe it has more probabilities. And like the worst case scenario with a flash crash or whatever, maybe it's going to be the 6 cents in this aggressive uptrend support. Well, put this very well in your mind that a reversal will happen. Price cannot go always to the upside, and it's healthy to happen. Okay, so don't freak out, don't FOMO. I gave you, like in my previous videos, a very good info that if you use it, you're gonna be in a very safe place. I told you that when actually Kaspa was at 6 cents area, above, a little bit above 6 cents, I told you that if you have like a big bag already, you packed your bags, you don't need to FOMO and buy the top. Just enjoy your profits, or you can do our strategy like daily dollar cost average, and you don't need to care about what's going on in the next move of Kaspa. You just buy in all bear market daily dollar cost average, and when Kaspa does big correction, then you can buy massively. This is exactly what you can do here if you have already big packed bags, or otherwise you cannot do the dollar cost average, the daily dollar cost average. You can just buy when Kaspa will do a retracement, okay, will do a reversal. You can buy only in that point. But also I told you that if you don't have any single Kaspa bag, you can start DCA, okay, start the DCA now, and when it's gonna retrace, because we don't know how high it's gonna be the pump, when you're gonna see the retrace, the reversal, then is where you should buy the big bag, okay? You should not get FOMO in the tops with all your bag, because it can happen, big retracement, big reversal without warning. Right now, it seems that we pumped a lot, but guys, they were people back in the days in this current situation, in a previous insane rally, okay, that bought Kaspa with FOMO at 5 cents, and then Kaspa did a retracement back to 3 cents, okay, close to 3 cents. So that's why I recommend you to do not FOMO in the top, FOMO in the bottom. And if you need, as I told you, help with that, this is why my group, to help you to do not do hurry movements and beginner mistakes. Anyway, let's move, guys, into this chart of Kaspa that, as you can clearly see, we have the ascending triangle that I gave you many days before this technical price target of the 0.073 cents, and you can go watch my video. I warn you here, every Kaspa investor must watch this. 0.075 cents is imminent. This is exactly the pattern that I showed you, and I told you that Kaspa will go straight to this 0.075 cents imminent, okay? And look what happened. Not only we went there, but we surpassed that. And this is something that I would like to add here, that this kind of pump was far beyond my expectations, okay? I told you even yesterday and also in my Discord group that I believe like maximum is 8 cents or 0.083 cents, because we were already big from an overbought position from the RSI, okay? So I couldn't justify furthermore pump without an announcement from like a big top tier exchange that will list Kaspa. I could justify only this furthermore pump from an exchange listing, because retail investors cannot pump the price so massively. And that's why, guys, I told you, and as you can clearly see in the title, big whales are buying secretly. And as I told you before, I believe it's institutions and also maybe big companies, big exchanges are buying secretly without an announcement. This is why this pump has no stop, and this is why Kaspa is ranking from a rank and also from a market cap side a lot, and I mean a lot, okay? So this is super bullish, guys. I'm expecting right now to see a retrace. I don't believe that we will surpass the 10 cents. I can give like maximum from here 10 cents. Then I believe like to see a massive reversal. But even if it's not gonna happen from 10 cents or from 9 cents that we are starting, I won't be in a shock, because Kaspa fundamentally is the best project and we'll get straight to top 10 projects. I told you that we can see Kaspa, guys, even under top 20, top 15 projects in a bear market. I told you that, especially when Kaspa will be listed officially in all exchanges, in almost all exchanges. This is where you will see the flip, okay? You will see Kaspa under top 20, under top 15. Screen record this, and you're gonna remember me when it's gonna happen. Kaspa is super powerful. And let's go, guys, straight into the Bitcoin analysis, because as you can clearly see right now, Bitcoin is standing in a position that also I predicted you. Okay, I told you a couple days before when Bitcoin was above $35,000 that if Bitcoin will remain above $35,000 in the daily time frame, okay, and it will close the daily candle above the the $35,000 area as it was happening the last couple of days. This shows an imminent move from the Bitcoin price straight to $37,000 within $40,000. And this is something that's happening right now. But don't forget also that I add you and mention you that this is not the beginning of the bull run. We will definitely see massive correction before the halving. Okay, we won't have so big buying pressure before the halving. And even if we won't see any bad fundamental news that will crash the Bitcoin, guys, the buying pressure will be exhausted and then selling pressure will win, and that's why we will get back to $31,250. And I believe that this is crucial to happen because this yellow line, $31,250, previously was very crucial resistance. We tried many times to break it and we found weakness to do that, and obviously it was very strong support by the bull run of 2021. So as you understand, the time that we actually broke that with a confirmation, actually we entered into a bear market. And right now we do exactly the opposite. We try to overcome this bear market. So I believe since we broke that, we will come back for a retest, and then we're gonna bounce with a beautiful higher high move. And obviously guys, we're gonna move, and after that we will build the bull run territory very, very slowly, especially after halving. This is where the money will flow into the space after halving. Everyone knows that. Okay, so guys, this is the video from the technical side of Bitcoin and also the technical side of Kaspa, and a couple more words before I close the video. I believe, guys, the current pump is happening by whales, okay, by big financial institutions and companies, call it as you would like. They're buying secretly because they are preparing their bags before actually the big announcements. That means that big exchanges will list Kaspa sooner than you think. Okay, big exchanges, big top tier exchanges will list Kaspa without fundraise sooner than you think. Okay, this is why the price of Kaspa is pumping astonishing. This is not retail investors. Okay, this is big whales that are buying crazy and massively. They are trying to prepare the bags for what will come. And the things that will come, as I told you, will set Kaspa into the top 20 projects in the crypto space, and by 2025 you will see Kaspa under top 10. Mark my words for these things, okay? Mark my words that Kaspa can surpass the 300 billion easy. 200 billion within 250 billion is my conservative prediction. 300 and above is where personally I believe that Kaspa will go, because the bull run that will come is going to be unprecedented with trillions of dollars that will come. Anyway, that's the video, guys. Also, don't forget to check our Patreon group, WealthNet, because WealthNet is a Discord group designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. WealthNet is a crypto community with like-minded people, and you will find in chats multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine. So in WealthNet, as you understand, you will learn from people that have already big experience and have already succeeded in the crypto field and right now enjoy a wealthy life. And also, guys, you will avoid big mistakes that everyone does in his first bull cycle. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to avoid big mistakes, so that equals bigger returns. Highly recommended. And also private live streams are coming very soon, so join now and you will be benefit a lot. And don't forget, guys, the lifetime, we have also another choice if you're looking for further more benefits, to join into the round table, into the inner cycle of WealthNet. So if you would like to join via lifetime, you should send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction about yourself. We will review that and we will see if you're eligible to enter in our inner cycle of WealthNet. And guys, for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, guys, I recommend you cold storage. This is the safest way to store your cryptos and your Kaspa. And my recommendation for a cold storage is Tadzem wallet. Okay, this is the best cold storage for me. This is what I use. And with the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off in your purchase. If you click here the link of Tadzem and you will go up right in the corner and press get Tadzem, you will go to choose the card set. I will recommend you to choose the 3 cards set because it's safer. Okay, you will have one more choice to lose a card, so you will be more safe. Don't forget to put the promo code CryptoChris and you will have your 10% off in your purchase, and you will be safe and you will sleep well in the nights. So this is the video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see you all in my next videos. Until my next video, your boy Chris is out. Bye.